Recent reports have revealed that iQOO is gearing up to a new Z series phone in China. The brand rolled out the Z11 Turbo's first teaser to give a glimpse of its design. The official teaser reveals that the iQOO Z11 Turbo will arrive in a blue shade. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will feature a 6.59-inch OLED screen that offers a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The device could be equipped with a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 primary camera. The Z11 Turbo will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset and a massive 600 mAh+ battery. The tipster claims Z1 Turbo offers the largest battery size compared to all other phones in similar form factor. The tipster claims that the Z11 Turbo has the same large corners on the display, a metal middle frame, and a glass back like the iPhone. For durability, the device will offer an IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. The device may launch by early January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.